Hello heroes, today is day 14 of 100 days of Dad Magic. If you were fooled by that intro, comment below with the word carrot. For today heroes, we have a time-travelling titillating treat for you. Now in order to show you this reality twisting piece of time travel, I first must do something that can't be undone. So, we just begin to tear this napkin up. The more and more we go through this linear timeline, the more and more it becomes completely destroyed, right? Now, we need a time traveling machine in order to send this back in time to restore it to its former glory, right? And it just so happens that I have one right here. See? Now, I also need a magic wand. I mean, what magic dad would not be complete without a magic wand? Oh, well, it's a magic marker, but hey, you know, budgets. So if you take the magic wand, magic marker, whatever you like, you pass it through. Oh, hang on. I may have just ruined the secret here. All right, okay. So there's two napkins, all right? You're just supposed to, like, make one switch for the other one so it looks like the napkin's restored. But wait, hang on. If this was really a time-traveling machine, then the other napkin would also be restored. Ha ha! There you go. Put that in your, like, kids don't have pipes and they certainly don't smoke, so that's not going to work. Stick that up your, no, that's not going to work either. And here is the secret. Now, in order to perform this piece of classic conjuring, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need not one, not two, but yes, you guessed it, 3 bits of napkin, okay? And you're also going to need some sort of time-traveling machine. I have here an opaque cup, so any opaque cup, opaque mug, whatever you like, as long as you can't see through it, will do. I wrote time-traveling machine on here just purely for the authenticity. You're also going to need one last thing, and that is a magic wand. Your magic wand goes down in your pocket, and you take 2 bits of napkin and you just ball them up and chuck them in your time-traveling machine. Now, as you display said napkin to your wonderful children, you're going to bring about the idea of time travel, and very deliberately, you're going to start to tear the napkin up. Once you're at this point, you're going to ball that napkin up so it's a nice little neat ball. And you're then going to introduce the time-traveling machine. Now, once you have your time-traveling machine with the added ingredients inside, and you also have your torn up bits of napkin in your hand, you're simply going to put your thumb on top of the napkin, and then you're going to tap the top of the cup. Now, because your thumb is on the napkin, it's not going to go in the cup, right? Simple. Now in performance, you're going to tap the top of the cup. You're then going to take your hand straight away down to your pocket with those torn pieces to retrieve the magic marker. You can shake the cup so that they hear the 2 pieces of napkin rattling around inside. Your children are just going to assume they're the torn pieces, and you can come out with your magic wand, leaving those torn pieces behind in your pocket. You do your magical gesture, do whatever you like, and then you're just going to shake the cup. Now you want to shake the cup quite violently so that one of those pieces is going to fly out. At this point, you're going to act, because you can carry on shaking, act like you've ruined it, okay? And just go, oh, I may have messed this up. And it's at this point where you pick up the piece off the floor and you go, see, okay, well, this is how it's supposed to work. Because, I mean, obviously there's 2 bits of napkin. And they're supposed to switch, and this one is the one that is supposed to look like it's restored. All right, I didn't do too well there, did I? But then that has suckered them in, because you can drop this down and go, wait, unless this really was a time traveling machine. And then you can get the other one out, unravel that, show that that is also restored. There are no bits of napkin anywhere, and Shazam, magic is real. So that has been day 14 of 100 days of Dad Magic. As always, if you like what I'm doing here, please consider following the channel, commenting below, sharing with friends and family and other parents that want to Shazam their kids. And remember, when you can, be more than just a hero.